The Freedom Independence PS21 pellet stove has constituted an uncompromised commitment to craftsmanship, efficiency, and state-of-the-art temperature control. The Freedom Independence is a star with its sleek design, interchangeable side color panels, built-in battery backup connections, and precision temperature control with touchscreen, remote control, and Wi-Fi performance options. High efficiency and even heat provide extended performance with minimal maintenance. The Freedom Independence pellet stove experience is easier, quieter, and more intuitive than ever before. From heating small rooms to whole houses, the Freedom PS21 is the perfect fit for most applications. Where vision, workmanship, and performance come together, you'll discover the Freedom Independence PS21 pellet stove. Visit your local dealer or freedomstoves.com to learn more.